As the Jeep brand pushes toward its future of zero-emission freedom, the all-new Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe, launched for the 2022 model year, represents the most technologically advanced and 4x4 capable Jeep Grand Cherokee yet, delivering 25 miles of all-electric range and 56 MPGe. Building on Grand Cherokee's legacy as the most awarded SUV ever, the all-new 4xe brings an all-new architecture, new plug-in hybrid powertrain, all-new exterior design, and all-new interior with world-class craftsmanship and first-to-market technologies to the full-size SUV segment. The Grand Cherokee's 4xe plug-in hybrid electric vehicle technology enhances the fun, freedom and adventure that the Jeep brand is known for, while providing unprecedented performance, fuel economy and environmental friendliness. New for 2023, the Grand Cherokee 4xe exclusively offers the Trailhawk model, which combines 25 miles or 40 kilometers of all-electric zero-emission freedom and 56 MPGe with Grand Cherokee Trailhawk's legendary 4x4 capability. The Grand Cherokee Trailhawk 4xe conquered the formidable Rubicon Trail and did so under all-electric power using electric mode. The Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe carries a 400-volt, 17 kWh EV battery. The battery units and controls mount underneath the vehicle, packaged under the floor and protected by a series of skid plates. The battery pack system includes a dedicated heating and cooling circuit to keep the battery at its optimum temperature for best performance. The system includes a dedicated heater unit and a chiller that uses the Grand Cherokee's air conditioning refrigerant to reduce coolant temperature when needed. All high-voltage electronics are sealed and waterproof. The trail-rated Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe is capable of water fording up to 24 inches. Regenerative braking is part of the 4xe system. When the driver steps on the brake pedal, the powertrain control engages the maximum available regenerative braking, up to 0.25 G, from the electric motors to slow the vehicle, augmented with the Grand Cherokee 4xe's traditional friction brakes.